Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to easily insert bits, slide headers, footers, and page numbers in Microsoft PowerPoint in 2025. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and go to the presentation where you want to add these elements. Make sure your slides are in edit mode. Next, click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This tab lets you add images, charts, text boxes, and more. For today, we'll focus on slide numbers and footers. Now, in the text section, click on slide number. A dialog box will appear. Check the slide number box to add numbers to your slides, and check the footer box to add custom text, like your presentation title, date, or company name. Finally, click Apply to All to make sure your settings appear consistently across all slides. If needed, you can use Don't Show on Title Slide to keep the title slide clean. And that's it. You've successfully added headers, footers, and slide numbers to your PowerPoint slides, giving your presentation a professional and polished look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.